Hey, John, over at A&M Glass Specialist. This is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I apologize for the delay on this video. I know it's been a crazy day. Like I told you, I still wanted to make sure I get this sent over to you. So with that being said, man, we'll jump right into this video here, kind of explaining what we're looking for and how we're going to go about it, and what we're going to do for you, or what you can even do for yourself. This video isn't just to do business with us. This is just an informative video we like to send out, kind of showing how digital marketing works and how SEO works, and how to achieve what you need online. So with that being said, we're going to jump right in. We got your website here. It's a good looking website, honestly. It's clean. I like it. It's very simple, black, white. Got a couple book and estimate buttons. I would recommend having a few more of those. Maybe some more pictures as well. I know you got the testimonials, which is understandable. There's not going to be pictures next to them. But maybe a generic face, or if you have a picture of the customer, that'd be awesome too. Nowhere in a website building guidelines does it say that you can only keep your pictures in your gallery. So definitely want to have some pictures all across our website as well. A big call to action right on the home page here, excuse me, is a very important thing to have as well. Kind of saying what you offer, what you do, how you're going to do it. If you have any discounts, deals going on, anything of that nature. So that's good to have. But another thing I see that you don't have a lot of is content. The average homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content, and all the other back pages should have anywhere between 250 to 500 words of content. So definitely want to have content. And when I say content, I don't mean just jibber jabber, right? We want to have valuable, informative, good content on our website that somebody can read. And not only so we can read, but so Google can read it as well. When the Google bots crawl your website, they're looking for keywords. That is a huge part. So right here, how we can figure all that out is a tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool that we use, showing kind of all the analytics and the data behind a website and kind of where it sits for SEO and ranking purposes. So as of right now, as you can see, you guys have no data, no keywords, no organic traffic to your website right now. That means nobody's finding you just off of Google, maybe by word of mouth. So it's not 100% accurate on that traffic, but this is just organically, right? Excuse me. And how can we figure out how to make that better? So what we want to do is figure out who's your top competition in your area. And it looked like you were in DC, so that's why I searched as glass installers DC. So we'll go back here, show you a quick little bit about that. Once this wants to load for me, okay, it doesn't want to load. But so we'll jump to that in a second. But so for right now, this is what I'm saying. That a quick call to action right at the top of your page. Easy, click the call phone number. Home, it's got some pictures all over it. Fair amount of content. These guys could definitely use more content as well. Social medias, right? Stuff like this. That's always good to have. Business hours, phone number, email address, if that's something you would like to have on your website as well. But so we want to figure out, why is Trinity Glass Company at the top of the Google pages, right? When I said that, how I found them was just like this. So I searched glass installers in DC. Pretty generic, pretty simple search. So the first thing we see right here is Google guaranteed ads. These are a great way to get to the top of the Google first pages without ranking organically. Organically would be the SEO, right? We can pay Google, and because we pay them, they put all of your information at the top of a search based off of this keyword, and there you go. People can find you. They are expensive, and so what I like to do is highly recommend doing SEO. SEO is being in these down here in the organic section, which is why we get that organic traffic, right? So because Trinity Glass is the third one down from the organic section, technically second in the Google Organics, they're doing really well. We can compare these guys as well. Yelp doesn't count because it's different. But we also have the Google My Business profile. This is huge. This is free to go out and get. One thing that does cost money is putting citations into it. It takes time, money, and citations are something I'll get a little bit more into the backlinks and SEO. But we want to make sure that when we have this, we have it optimized very well. Make sure we have the more reviews than the top guys. So if these guys have 86, you want to have 90 or 95, right? We want to make sure we have more. Same thing with photos, all kinds of good information we can put into this to start ranking this up better. But back to the SEO on why these guys are doing well. So here's a difference in comparison from you guys to them. They have 164, 49, and 390 keywords. So one thing we would do as a marketing company is figure out, hey, what are the top dogs in your area using for keywords and for the backlinks. So right thing first here, Trinity Glass doesn't kind of really matter. We could maybe sneak this one in there. 900 search volume, right? Let's see, what's another good one? Window installation, Largo MD. That's got a 200 search volume. Now let's see if we can find another one. Largo Glass. Maybe you guys install Largo Glass. I have no idea what Largo Glass is. That's got 350 search volume. That'd be a really great one to have on your website. Commercial glass installation. It's a good one. 150 search volume. So even just off of those 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 keywords we find, we go from a 0 search volume to potentially 1,100 if my math is correct on that. And that's how these guys are getting found, because they're getting keywords that have high search volume. People are finding them for it, and they're starting to rank for those. So we would do that with the keywords as well as the backlinks. Like I said, this is a paid tool we like to use. There is free versions out there. I believe Google has their own. Just definitely something we want to look into is doing this. The same thing for the backlinks. We can go in and figure out each and every one of the backlinks that they have, what kinds of backlinks, how many do we want to get. Some of them cost, some of them are free. That's why SEO is a monthly charge, because we need to go and add these every single month. So with that being said, to John over at A&M Glass Specialist, I hope you found this video useful in any way, shape, or form. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks. Have a great day.